Science! And 1, 2. Woo! Dance. How? Hey kids, Professor Marbles. Today, me and Sprinkles are gonna have a contest of who can build the best paper airplane and who can go the furthest. This is my contender. Sprinkles, what do you got? No airplanes.
I got dino.
but
I got.
Oh, that's
I got.
Alrighty. Yeah. Alright. Alrighty. But we have to do this outside where it's safe. So we gotta go to the Professor Marbles Aeronautics Testing and Proving Grounds. Away!
Let's go!
Here we are at the Professor Marbles Aeronautics Testing and Proving Grounds. This might look like a familiar sight to those. This is where we lost Wiggler 1. May she forever rest in peace.
I salute you.
Couldn't be a more appropriate place to test our airplanes, so we're gonna make a couple of different designs, throw them, and see what we get. This is
Mitzi?
This is Itsy.
Itsy?
Bitsy?
Bitsy? I can.
Bitsy. She's not ours. She is now.
She keeps the birds off the runway for us.
She clears the landing pad.
Yeah.
Hi! Hi, welcome back! Hi, welcome back!
Yeah, I'll pet you. I'll do the pet toll.
Anyway, good science waits for no one, so let's get to it.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Alright, so here's how we're gonna do it. We've got a line here, and just good old-fashioned who can go the furthest from here. We've each got a little baseline we're gonna do first. I've got this, and I'm gonna turn the lights on so it's easy to find, because it's gonna go. Sprinkles has a
gnome. That's about it. I don't have any lights.
What more do you need?
Man, IDK.
You're gonna go.
This is my best side. This is my best angle.
Yeah. I hear you on that.
Okay. Okay.
And then that's the benchmark I have.
That's top that.
Okay.
Oh, stretching. I should stretch.
I was all-state gnome in high school.
Junior varsity gnome.
Yeah, it's got a good sparrow on it.
Shoot.
It's just kind of that.
All right, Sprinkles has a cannon. All right, well, on to the real science, paper planes. So we have our baseline. Now we have our first design. I've got a turtle.
Am I not turtly enough for the turtle club?
Sprinkles.
Dinosaur.
A dinosaur.
Aerodynamic.
Aerodynamic and lizards. Sort of. Science. Look it up. We're going to see just how far they go. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
On the count of 3.
All right.
1, 2, 3, go. Slow and steady wins the race. Whatever sound turtles make. Chomp, chomp. Squish. Oh,
Yes.
oh, we jumped at that. Oh.
Yes, we got him. Woo.
It's funny you couldn't run away from a meteor like that. Stupid dinosaur.
Don't listen to him on that one. You did fine.
All right, so now on to making the planes. We got your standard 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and we're just gonna, whatever folds I know. I'm going hamburger myself.
I'm a hot dog. More aerodynamic, longer.
It's probably right.
Wind resistance.
Less wind resistance.
Which is a science term.
Drag,
read.
Lower coefficient of drag. My wings will be wider, so more like surface area for there to be lift. For the wind to lift my plane that way, because that's how the wind is blowing.
But that's also more area for the wind to drag your plane down. Wind resistance.
Oh yeah, no, for sure, but
This is an ancient paper airplane folding technique passed down through the Sprinkles family for a few generations now. For those of you following paper sports, you might remember 1913 Stockholm. We took home the gold, and really, I'm just trying to honor the ancestors, kind of deal. Bring back the proud generation of airplane folders in the Sprinkles line. One more fold should do it. We're there. Sleek, like a stealth fighter.
Yeah, I've got your typical 3-fold airplane. I'm gonna get smoked. This thing looks like a Concorde. This is like what the Wright brothers used. Alrighty, we don't have to go both at the same time. Let's just see.
Yeah, you
yeah?
Go first. Launch number 1.
Launch number 1. Got like a yard or a meter for our friends across the pond.
That's gonna be a hard distance to beat. 3, 2, 1.
Shut up. Shut up. Woo! Science.
Science.
I've never been more defeated by science.
Oh, cool, you made him cry.
Well, the results are in. My plane made an astounding large step in a foot. Sprinkles is Sprinkles won. Yeah. I bet you it just has to do with it kind of cutting through. Mine had a wide body. My wings will be wider, so more like surface area for there to be lift, for the wind to lift my plane that way.
I think he's just sad.
Maybe. I'll try a wide body design this time. We'll see if it is actually the airplane and wind resistance, or maybe it's the user error.
Yeah, because I don't do a lot of things right sometimes, but when I do,
They go right.
science. Round 2.
Round 2.
I don't really know what I'm going to change, but I'm going to change something. Sprinkles, what's your technique this time?
My technique is I'm going for a hamburger style this time. I'm gonna try maybe get some more lift like you were saying, get the wings really full of air, try to go as high as I possibly can, and then maybe on the downfall, it might gain some distance.
So my wings aren't completely perfectly identical, but I still have like a wide body, a little bit less of a body. It's not super square. The other one was like more aerodynamic for sure. Give a comment down below if this is what your mail icon on your phone looks like, because that's what mine looks like. And oh wow, that's something.
Tell me, friend, you ever heard of the bird called the albatross?
Yes.
It's got a very wide wingspan.
It
Those
does.
babies, they fly for miles.
It's like the seagull of the north.
You wanna go first?
No,
this time?
you won last time, so
Okay.
you go
All right,
first
I
this
get the
time.
gentleman's throw.
The floor is yours.
Gotta check wind. All right, it's coming from that direction it seems. Let's fly. All right,
Well, in terms of airtime, yeah, there was a lot of it.
like I said, an albatross.
An albatross, yeah. Alrighty, well here goes this one. Oh, there's a large gust of wind. Should I just do it?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna do it. Wind or not, here we go. Okay. Alright, well, there's that one. I don't like this.
I enjoy it quite much.
Yeah, I
Quite a
bet
lot.
you do.
Yeah, this is experimenting with different designs. It's science.
But like
Trial
every
and error.
good experiment, we should try it at least 3 times.
Yes, so one more?
Or until I beat Sprinkles.
We'll be here a while.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
I'm trying, yet again, hamburger.
And I'm going hot dog. That got me the greatest distance. That's what we need in this game. And if you want to know the secret, the patented Sprinkles secret, if you look right here, most people think you need the same size wings. It's a lie, okay? You need 2 oddly proportioned wings.
And there's this. I want to win.
2 professors enter, 1 professor leaves.
Well, we both got here in the same car. Can I get a ride with you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're right.
All right, so here goes mine with a flip-flappy, almost looks like a goal, like a field goal.
Yeah, like little stairs. Stairway to heaven.
Stairway to heaven. Hey, yo, baby, take me there. And
All
a
right.
1, 2.
That was a good one. I like it. All right, here we go. And 3, 4, shut the door. A little bit farther, caught some wind there, but I'm happy with it. I'm 3 for 3. I'm gonna retire early on top.
Not happy. But like Sprinkle says, we've done it 3 times. We have conclusive results. Sprinkle's designs are better. Congratulations,
Hot
Sprinkles.
dog, better than hamburger.
Hot dog is better than hamburger.
You're a good competitor.
Science.
Science.
Thanks for watching. Remember to always look for the science around you, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, so I need to know, how do you do this?
Hot dog
Yeah,
style, right?
hot dog.
All the wind's gonna hit there. You're not looking for perfection here, so nothing has to be even.
I'll watch you. I'll try to mimic your stance too.
Yep. All right, it's all in the hips.
Yeah.
In the hips,
Oh,
right?
okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Bend the knees a little.
Sure.
Bend the knees a little. All right. And 3, 2, 1. All right. Just like that.
I need a win.
Yeah, baby.